Hello everyone, welcome to Research Hub. Do you ever feel exhausted trying to get through dull research papers just to find the key points? Wouldn't it be easier if complex ideas were explained through engaging animations instead? Imagine being able to transform your own research into a captivating presentation that people genuinely enjoy watching. It can completely transform the way you handle research, making it faster, more organized, and actually enjoyable. So, let's jump right in. Right now, I'm inside NotebookLM, and the first step is to create a new notebook. I'll close this pop-up for now. As you can see, the interface is simple and neatly divided into 3 sections. On the left, you have the Sources panel. This is where you upload or connect everything, whether it's research papers, PDFs, notes, videos, or any material you want the tool to analyze. In the center, there's the Chat section. This is where the real interaction happens. You can ask questions, generate summaries, and pull out key insights from your uploaded content. On the right, you'll find the Studio panel, which turns your material into visual outputs like presentations, infographics, flashcards, and more. Let's walk through a quick example. The first step is adding your sources. You can upload PDFs, connect Google Drive documents, include lecture notes, meeting transcripts, or even YouTube content. The more diverse your inputs, the better the insights you'll get. For this demo, I've uploaded several research papers on how AI impacts academic research. I haven't read them yet, but instead of going through each one manually, I can start by generating a mind map. Instantly, the system organizes everything into a clear structure, breaking the topic into categories like research process, applications, clinical and healthcare impact, key challenges and risk, academic and professional impact, and future requirements. Each branch expands further, helping you quickly understand the full picture without reading every paper. Once you have a general overview, you can take it a step further by generating a video summary. Just select your sources, choose the video type, like a cinematic explainer, and let the tool create an animated breakdown with voiceover. It may take a few minutes, but the result is a much clearer and more engaging understanding of your topic.
A scientific discovery is often born in a lab, but buried under a mountain of paperwork. Before it reaches the public, it must survive a second, more grueling phase, the writing process. Drafting, citing, and formatting a manuscript is a massive administrative burden that routinely stalls scientific progress for months. Of writing, important findings can sit on a hard drive for years simply because it acts as a highly capable, low-cost medical record. The researcher doesn't catch these subtle omissions or fabricated references.
After that, you can use the chat feature to dive deeper, ask specific questions, compare studies, clarify concepts, or identify patterns across multiple papers. This is especially helpful for literature reviews or shaping your own research direction. Another powerful feature is the data table, which automatically compares your sources across key factors like methodology, findings, sample size, and limitations. This saves hours of manual work and helps you quickly spot trends and research gaps. There are also features like flashcards and quizzes for revision, though they're more useful for studying than deep research. When it's time to present your work, NotebookLM can generate infographics or slide decks directly from your content. The visuals are clean, professional, and ready to share, though customization is limited and usually requires giving instructions rather than manual editing. Overall, it's a powerful tool for simplifying research, saving time, and making your work more engaging and presentable. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more informative video.